Hello there. Today I'm staying at a Mercure hotel, so come with me, my friends. I'm going to give you a little room tour. So I don't usually do room tours, but I thought I was staying in this hotel. I don't usually get nice hotels like this. They're quite a nice one. I usually get the budget end, but this is a slightly higher end. But I got a good deal out of it as well. First of all, I'm going to tell you about the deal. I used my Tesco's club cards, and I had £45 worth. £15 I transferred into £45 on Tesco's club card. Not sponsored by Tesco's, by the way, or Mercure either. And the room cost £67 for the one night, and so I got £45 off that, so it's a £22 room. Not too bad. I had to pay for the parking added on another £16, so I paid £38 in total. That's not too bad for this room. Have a little look at it. By the way, I am in Heathrow, Mercure. It gets booked up quite a lot. I've tried to book this because it's near the theme parks I do, the Thorpe Park, Chessington, Windsor and all that. So I've tried to book here before, and this gets booked up quite a lot, so I managed to get a spot, and a quite cheap spot as well, considering it goes a lot more money than this usually. So here we go, let's have a little look around. Right, so let's start off by looking at the room, checking it out. There's a bed, it's all very nice. We've got towels laid out nicely, cushions. We'll do a bed test in a minute. We've got tables there, table and chairs, nice little bedside cabinets, telephone socket under there, I don't know why. We've got the light switch, that turns the main lights on and off, okay, but not these ones. Not these, so it doesn't turn them on and off. But we've got a nice little spotlight for reading. You can see you can angle it down, which is nice. And I guess, yeah, that turns these on and off. Nice, that's quite nice. Okay, let's look at the other side of the bed. Now what we really need, there's one down here. Phone charger only. Okay. We need one on the other side really, because two people would have one. That's a little point. Now I did book a single room, and they've given me a double, so that's quite handy. Nice of them. So we've got a writing desk here, or a vlogging desk. Little drawer here. No Bible. Chair. Phone, but I'm not going to do anything with it. Look at this light. Does it turn on? Yeah, the light turns on. There we go. Nice little spotlight. All works nicely. Mirror. TV in this nice encased wooden thing. Lovely. We'll see if that works now. The remote control. And looks like it's all good. Let's see what we got. Is there a menu guide? There we go, all good. Okay, I'll just turn that off for now. Okay, now let's look at this. What we got here? This is my Thorpe Park cup. We've got the kettle. Nice and clean inside. Cups. Lovely. Glasses. Milks. Tea. Coffee. Decaf coffee, sugars, and stroopwafels. I do like stroopwafels. These are Dutch, aren't they? These are really nice, sweet waffle. And a little bin down there. And then here you have safe. No one's left any money in it, unfortunately. This is a mini bar. I don't know if that's free or not. I didn't touch it. I wouldn't have thought so. In the cupboard. Oh, nice. We got this up and this up. Oh. Okay, we have slippers. We have a ironing board. Nice, plenty of coat hangers. What's this? Oh, this will be the hairdryer, I guess. Oh. Yeah, that's the hairdryer there. What's this? Oh, that's I think that might be to put your luggage on or something. I don't know. Okay. Now, all important bathroom. Nice little shave mirror. That doesn't stay there, which is you would think it would hold position like that. Minor. Shave socket. Over here. Liquid soap. Body lotion. We have a couple of cups and they're provided comb, sewing kit, vanity kit, shaving kit, dental. Nice. Okay, nice hook for your towels, that's good. Non-slip mat, which is handy. And this, which doesn't open, that's just stuck there. Oh no, it does open. I was going to say, it's weird if you're in a bath. But we have a bath, and we have a shower. And over here we have more body wash, we have shampoo, and conditioner. Nice. You usually get kind of like a 3-in-1s in the one I stay at. Okay, nice tissues here as well. It's all very nice. Another mirror, plenty of mirrors around. So that's all I really need to show you. So I am staying here in between my Thorpe Park and Chessington days. So if you go and check them out, that would be great. Don't forget to give me a subscribe and maybe a like for the video. Don't usually do these videos, like I say, but I do when it's kind of like a nicer kind of place. You don't really need to see the budget places because they're pretty much all the same. But I guess if you're staying in Mercure, you'd get the same sort of thing, the standard. And that. It's the first time I stayed in one of these, so I thought I'd show you around. It's nice. Last thing, of course, I'll take my shoes off and do the test. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. Good, firm. Nice bit of softness to it as well. Yeah, that'll do me good. So that'll do for me. I'm going to go to sleep, so good night. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.